Hey guys, I am going to be revealing, unboxing the summer FabFitFun box. The spring one was freaking amazing. The floral robe that came in my spring box, every time I wear it, I get flooded with DMs asking where it's from. Crazy. The box is so pretty. It's like all this teal and peachy florals. Oh my god, the inside's even prettier. So pretty. The front cover is Eva Longoria. Did you guys all watch Desperate Housewives? I feel like that's what she's most known for. There is a gift card in here from HelloFresh, which you guys know I love, for $80 off. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I just saw there's Jennifer Zuner jewelry. So here's what the inside looks like. And oh my god, I just saw something else. Okay, so something new that FabFitFun does is they give you as the subscriber control over certain things that are in the box, which I love because it's always fun getting surprise items, but it's even better when you actually have control over things and you can try new things or just pick things that are more your style. FabFitFun, $49.99 per quarter. So they have, sorry, Heure lip gloss. They have 4 boxes a year with each season. If you are a first-time subscriber, I will have a $10 off. So it'll only cost you $39.99. And if you subscribe for the whole year, there is a cost savings. Personally, I would just subscribe for the whole year. Actually just had a message before I filmed here on Instagram saying I found you when I was searching FabFitFun on YouTube years ago, and she's like, I've stuck with you ever since. So I've been doing these box unboxings and partnering with them for a while now. I would not continue to do that if this stuff wasn't great. So, and this is, for me, unlike any other subscription box because you get really nice quality, known name brands that we all love, that we all shop, whether it's at Sephora or Nordstrom or Anthropologie, and you're not just given like leftover samples that a PR firm had in their back stock room. I've discovered so many new brands thanks to FabFitFun that I wouldn't have known about otherwise. So I digress. I have loads of these on my channel if you want to get a feel for any of the other unboxings during different seasons. I always feel like it just keeps getting better. I love fall because it's my favorite season, but the spring box last box they really knocked it out of the park. But I feel like this is going to be no different. Inside the catalog, they tell you what is all included or like what your options are and the total value of everything. And each box retails, depending on what is inside, between $269.95 and $467.95. But keep in mind you are only paying $49.99 or as a new customer, $39.99. The first thing that I chose, these bowls by West Elm. Remember how I said name brand stores, brands that we know and love. I absolutely love these. I love how they're wrapped too with this like straw, like bamboo. So you get 3 bowls. I just love the colors. They're kind of like navy and tie-dye, hand painted. And I actually got these more so for the kids to use for ice cream, for snacks, blueberries, like things to just snack on. I think they're also really pretty, like on display in my kitchen. So I love these. I love West Elm. So the next thing I chose, yes, is one of my very favorites that I have ever tried, body butters. This is by the brand Sol de Janeiro. And I think actually I first discovered this brand. It was in a FabFitFun box last summer, 2 summers ago. The brand has since exploded. You can find this brand at Sephora. They have body washes, different fragrances, body sprays, but this is the original product that I first tried and I love the smell of it. I love how it leaves my skin feeling. Oh wait, there's more. So it came as a set. Yes! So I did the body cream and the moisturizing shower cream gel, which I have tried in the past. Dan and I blew through in like less than a month. This stuff smells so good. It just smells like Hawaiian tropic, like the beach, coconut, pina colada. So good. This is just, oh my god, so good. Next up, I'm gonna go for this. This is Jennifer Zuner jewelry, which I follow her brand on Instagram. She does a lot of like fine, delicates and gold dainty pieces. This is a necklace with little gold stars. So cute. Just like an easy, very sparkly, very shiny, high shine chain with these 2 little stars. That is precious. There is a Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. Stops frizz, lightly conditions. I love the brand Living Proof. I've tried several of their products. Their anti-humidity spray. Just recently tried their Volume Blast. Their shampoo and conditioner I've tried, Perfect Day. What else? Their dry shampoo. This is a great brand. Great, great brand. Also found at Sephora. This is a great little travel size to take with you. What is this here? This is by Generation Clay. This is an ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. Anything with brightening properties in it, I am a sucker for because I need all the brightening I can get on my skin. My skin is very dull. It has melasma, a lot of dark spots, hyperpigmentation. So anything with vitamin C, anything to illuminate my skin, I love. So I'm going to try this tonight. I love a good clay mask too. By the brand Wish, an exfoliating foot mask, coconut milk and verbena, smooths and softens. Interesting. Exfoliate, polish, soothe, and soften. I love stuff like this because I can't always get out to get pedicures, and especially in the summertime when I'm barefoot outside walking on the concrete, it just destroys your feet. So I love anything where I can like tend to my feet. Wow, and whatever I just opened, I think it's the Sol de Janeiro. It smells so good. I'm so excited about this. Look, you guys. There is a 6-pack of Invisibobble. And they are the clear and the nude, which I actually don't have. I have black and I have gold and I have rose gold. I do not have these. These are my favorite. These are what keep my hair up. They don't make any creases in your hair. This is what I sleep in every night, either in a low bun or a high pony, and it does not leave a crease. And I have never actually seen like a 6-pack. I always grab these in the checkout line at Sephora because I just always want, look, boom, I actually have one on as we speak. Yeah, these are great. These are so, so great if you have like medium to long hair and you want it out of your face. I do like my top knots with them. They hold your hair. They don't crease your hair. I'm so excited about this. This is a healing balm by Dr. Rogers Restore. So you can use this on lips, cuts and burns, sensitive dry skin, post-procedure skincare, as a baby ointment or beauty hacks. So it's kind of like an all-purpose balm, and I love things like this, just especially to keep on me in my purse, because you just never know, like when your cuticles are going to be looking a hot mess or your kids scrape their knee. I love the little size of this. I'm going to have to try this out because you just never know. You just never know when you're going to need something like this. Flyaways in your hair, cute little highlight to make your skin glow. And then what is this? Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose, Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. I am here for this. Love all of the rose toners and face sprays I've used in the past. There's something about the scent of roses that just makes me happy. So let's give this a try. I've actually heard of this brand, Grace and Stella, but I've never tried anything from their brand. I do like the packaging. I feel like this looks like it belongs in like a Anthro or Urban Outfitters. Oh, it's a very fine mist. Oh my God, it smells so good. It's very soft, not synthetic rose smelling. It's very light and very soft. I really, really like it. These are great to just keep in your beach bag too, especially this time of year. If not your vanity counter, just to rehydrate your skin, hydrate your skin before you put on your whole skincare regimen to help your skin just absorb the products a little bit better. Refresh throughout the day if you're looking a little dull, if you want to have a little bit of dewiness to your face, or just when you're on the beach and you're sweating and you are like just hot. This will cool you down and refresh you and smells really, really good. And I think that is everything. So freaking good. The West Elm bowls retail for $39. The Sol de Janeiro set retails for $45. That's everything there. The Jennifer Zuner necklace is $50. The Living Proof is $28. The Healing Balm is $30. You might have gotten some resistance bands to work out. 2 silicone wine glasses. Those are really cool, especially for summer. And they come in a really cute, like, pink blush pouch. Ico London, I do black liquid liner. Over here, there's a lotus towel, a kimono, a beach tote, a black felt letterboard, a Soltra Professional mini hair dryer, retails for $60. There also is a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask that retails for $160. So that's insane. That would pay for your box and then some. These are all high-priced, high-ticketed items. I am definitely impressed. And then here's all the beauty stuff. The Kula makeup setting spray, that could have been included. That's $36. The Invisibobble retails for $16. The brightening purple clay mask is $39. The rose facial spray is $25.95. The foot mask is $32. So, wow. I think they nailed this summer box. I'm super impressed. And these catalogs are great too. I always say they always have like nice articles. The Tone It Up girls are in here. There's like DIY things, recipes, beauty things, just horoscopes, fun stuff. Once you sign up as a FabFitFun subscriber, there's a whole members only section on their website that you have exclusive access to shopping. And again, they're all of these like amazing name brand items, but discounted heavily. So that's just another plus to subscribing. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I am so excited about all this stuff, like especially this stuff and this and the Invisibobbles, like so many beauty items in here. So excited. The necklace is so pretty. I love these bowls. So nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have my discount code again in the description box. Thank you to FabFitFun for partnering with me as usual on these unboxings and for allowing me the opportunity to share them with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next one. Bye.